And let me tell you a bit more about what we're looking for in the design challenge. We're looking for all different skill levels right now. We want people to be thinking of all the ways they can model, from their room to the large building scale. But the most important thing we're looking for is this relationship to the physical surroundings. We want you to be modeling off of your site. It's not just something where you're loading a pre-built model. You're supposed to be understanding where exactly you're modeling and having a relationship to that. We welcome process shots, the final shots, anything that helps us understand where you're modeling and what it means to you. Because we have multiple levels, we have different ways for you to approach it strategically. If you're on the Explorer level, just starting out, a great place to look at is maybe your room or an immediate space, some area that has some clean, simple surfaces for you to work off of. This gives you a place for you to think of large details like a vaulted ceiling, or focus on something that's a little bit smaller scale like a built-in piece of furniture. Either way, the creativity is up to you. For people that have used mixed reality before and they've got a couple of sessions under their belt, we definitely recommend that you increase your scope. Maybe add a couple more rooms, use a larger space, or even trek outside to see if you can make a site of your own. Either way, you want to find a site that is going to be important to you and helps inspire your creativity. If you're planning to model outside, we recommend that you use a site that you're familiar with. And maybe do a little bit of strategizing beforehand, know what you're going to design, charge your headset. You don't want to make those mistakes. It happens to the best of us. And most importantly, you want to be aware of your surroundings. You are going to be outside, so be safe and be cautious. And one pro tip is make sure you leverage the spatial anchoring system, because that's going to be one of your closest, best friends while you're on site modeling. At the architect level, we definitely recommend that you set your scopes on the unreachable spaces. For instance, maybe you want to modify or add to an existing building. Whatever it is, you want to think large and think about the places that are unreachable by your physical presence. We're looking forward to see what you make. Make sure you share on community.arkio.is and reach out with any questions.